welcome to the exciting world of video marketing. In today's digital age, video has become a powerful tool for businesses and individuals alike to connect with their audiences in a dynamic and engaging way. Whether you're a seasoned marketer looking to enhance your skills or a newcomer eager to dive into the realm of video promotion, this video marketing course is designed to equip you with the knowledge and strategies needed to harness the full potential of video content. Throughout this course, we will explore the fundamentals of video marketing, including video creation, optimization, distribution, and analysis. You'll learn how to craft compelling video messages, choose the right platforms for your target audience, and leverage the latest trends and technologies in the ever-evolving landscape of online video. No matter your background or experience level, this course is crafted to be accessible and actionable. By the end, you'll not only have a solid understanding of the principles behind successful video marketing, but also the practical skills to implement effective video campaigns that resonate with your audience and achieve your marketing goals. Get ready to unlock the power of video and take your marketing efforts to new heights. Let's embark on this journey together and discover the transformative impact that strategic video marketing can have on your brand or business.